AZ Fluency, Level M, Blizzard. Echo, echo. Blizzard. Many of us like to play in the soft white snow of winter. Watching a snowfall can be fun, but sometimes falling snow can be unsafe. Blizzards are winter storms that can be unsafe. These storms have strong winds, heavy snow, and cold air. The wind can blow hard and fast. The snow can blow so hard that it hides almost everything. Sometimes all you can see in front of you is snow. This is called a whiteout. In a whiteout, drivers cannot see the road or other cars. People cannot see where they are walking. When there is a blizzard, people should stay inside and watch the snowfall. That is the best way to stay safe. All right, the main idea of blizzard is to learn facts about blizzards and how they can be unsafe. Or the main idea of blizzard is to learn about how unsafe a blizzard can be and what you can do to keep yourself safe. Good job persevering with the growth mindset, and roar Wildcats!